In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in HubSpot both manually and automatically using the platform's CRM features. HubSpot makes it quite straightforward to manage customer support requests, and understanding how to set up tickets can help streamline your support process effectively. Let's dive right in with manual ticket creation. First, you'll want to access your HubSpot CRM. Once you're there, look for the Tickets section. This can typically be found under the Service or CRM headings. It might vary slightly in placement depending on your setup, but it's usually easy to spot. Click on the Create Ticket button or a similar option that allows you to open a new ticket form. Now, you'll need to fill in some key details for the ticket. Start with the ticket pipeline and the stage. This might be labeled something like New, Waiting on Contact, or Closed, depending on your organization's specific setup and terminology. Associating the ticket with the correct pipeline and stage helps in tracking its progress efficiently. If there's a specific contact that this ticket is related to, make sure to associate it appropriately. The subject line and description are your chances to provide a clear and concise overview of the issue or request. This information is crucial for whoever will be handling the ticket, so be as descriptive as possible while remaining succinct. You can also include other relevant properties, like product issues, billing inquiries, or specific feature requests, depending on your needs. Once everything is filled in accurately, be sure to hit Save to ensure that all your changes are committed to the system. Moving on to automatic ticket creation, this feature can save a lot of time and ensure tickets are generated consistently. If you're using forms on your website, you can enable the Automatically Create Tickets option within your HubSpot form settings. This ensures that whenever a form is submitted, a ticket is created, reducing manual work. If your forms are connected to a legacy system, make sure they're integrated with your conversations inbox or help desk for smooth operation. Similarly, you can automate ticket creation from emails. First, go to your HubSpot inbox settings where you can connect your email inbox. Look for the Automatically Create Tickets checkbox and enable it. This way, whenever an email comes in, a corresponding ticket is automatically generated. Furthermore, HubSpot offers automation through workflows, granting you the ability to automate ticket assignment and other actions. You can set up specific triggers based on contact or ticket properties. These triggers can then activate actions, such as assigning tickets to specific teams or users according to predefined conditions. Additionally, setting up internal notifications or creating tasks linked to the ticket can enhance your team's responsiveness and organizational capabilities. By combining manual ticket creation with automated processes and utilizing HubSpot's automation features, you can effectively manage customer support requests and significantly improve your overall service process.